How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can get rid of seams in Bambu Studio. Basically, there's no 100% way on how you can totally get rid of seams, but there's an alternative methods in order to hide them or just place them somewhere on your model. So the easiest one is going to be using the nearest option for the seams right here. So just head over to the quality option, which is going to be at the sidebar. In here, navigate through seam and then select something like nearest. This will then place the seam onto the nearest corner. Now, this is really great if you have something like this cube right here. And so let's just slice the plate and basically you will be able to see the seams on the corner edges right here, getting rid or hiding it effectively on our model. Now, if you want to go ahead and try something different, you then want to use something like the seam painting. Now, it's going to be the P button, which is going to be the shortcut key for the seam painting function. Now, with this way, for example, if you have something like a dragon, you can maybe hide it under or behind its head. Now, from here, it's as easy as brushing or just painting out the seam where you want to place it. So in my case, I'm going to place it this way. Basically, if you click on the slice plate option, it will then place the seam onto that exact area. You can also select something like back right here. Now, as an additional option, you can also try to enable the fuzzy skin. This will basically put additional materials or additional layer onto your model. It's highly effective, especially if you want to hide those seams or slight imperfections. So if we choose something like a contour right here, or let's just select something like all walls, and of course you have something like the point distance and skin thickness, you can just edit those out to see what works best for you. And as you can see, it will then put this additional effect or additional texture onto our model. Now, this will basically hide, once again, slight imperfections and seams on our model. And so that's basically ways on how you can get rid of seams in Bambu Studio. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.